The Codex Gigas, also known as the Devil's Bible, is not only one of the largest medieval manuscripts ever created, but it is also has a fascinating origin story. Legend has it that the Codex Gigas was created in just one night by a monk who made a deal with the devil. According to the legend, the monk who wrote the Codex Gigas was living in a monastery in Bohemia, now modern-day Czech Republic. One day, he was accused of breaking the monastery's rules and was sentenced to be walled up alive in a cell. In a desperate bid to avoid his punishment, the monk made a deal with the monastery's abbot. He promised to create a book that would glorify the monastery and contain all the knowledge of the world in exchange for his life. The monk set to work on the manuscript, but he soon realized that he could not complete it within the time frame given to him. In a moment of desperation, he made a deal with the devil to complete the manuscript in exchange for his soul. According to the legend, the devil agreed to the deal and helped the monk complete the Codex Gigas in just one night. The manuscript is said to be so large that it took over 160 animal skins to create it. The Codex Gigas contains a Vulgate Latin translation of the Bible, along with numerous other works on history, medicine, and natural science. The manuscript is notable for its striking calligraphy and illustrations, including the infamous illustration of the devil. Despite its origin story, the Codex Gigas is a significant work of art and literature from the medieval period. It is a testament to the skill and dedication of the medieval scribe who created it. We hope you've enjoyed learning about the story behind the Codex Gigas. While the story of the monk making a deal with the devil may be a legend, the Codex Gigas remains a remarkable work of art and literature that has captivated people's imaginations for centuries. Join us again for more fascinating stories from the past.